It's 4th of July. It's time to put down the fears about inflation, the recession, the stock market crashing, Bitcoin crashing, all the fear that's out there. Put it aside. It's 4th of July. It's time to celebrate. And we got you covered at store.ukelikethepros.com. Well, I'm going to take care of you. You know I'm going to take care of you. I'm just going to go over the specials that I got brewing here in my mind that I want you to take advantage of because it's only right now for 4th of July. First of all, we're putting a special collection together that we're blowing out huge discounts on a lot of ukuleles, all right? This collection is going to blow you away what you see, what we put into it. Huge discounts on the ukes that you've been looking at. Should I get it? Should I get it? I'm not sure. This is an opportunity to pull the trigger in honor of 4th of July. We're also doing the free hard shell case for all Rebels and all Ponos. All right? Most Ponos, there's a couple that come with hard shell case already, but most Ponos don't come with anything. No gig bag, no hard shell case. So we're going to include the UKelikethePros hard shell case, hard shell case with that. It's like a $125 value. We're throwing that in. Also the Rebels. The Rebels come in a little bit of a funky gig bag. I'm not a huge fan of it. We're going to get rid of that bag and we're going to throw it and protect your instrument, again, in a hard shell case, the UKelikethePros hard shell case that we got for you. We're going to do $10. That's right, $10 gig bags on any uke that you buy. Any single uke you buy, you're getting $10 UKelikethePros gig bag. By the way, I'm losing money on that. Those things cost me a lot more to get in than $10, but I want you to have a gig bag with you. And this is crazy. For any purchase, that's right, any purchase, you're going to get a link sent to you after your purchase to get 5, count them, 5 free courses at ukelikethepros.com. All right, so we picked out 5 special courses just for you. So you make any purchase from a set of strings to an ukulele, you're getting those 5 free courses. Those are for life, by the way. And if you're already a member, you can gift those courses to somebody that you know will use them. So anyway, this is 4th of July. This is how we do it. We're going big right here. I'm Terry Carter, store.ukelikethepros.com. Drop those fears. Everything that's going on right now can get you down. Don't worry. We want to raise you up, raise your spirits up, and get you something great for this 4th of July holiday. So happy 4th to you. Take advantage of these. Appreciate all the support and have a great and a safe day.